came to crush us, but they will remember who we were. Stand with me! Who are you? I'm the last mistake you'll ever make.
Hi everyone, this is a Pakistani wedding.
The video clips you're watching might look realistic, but guess what? They're actually AI generated by Google VEO 3. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to access it for free, step by step. First, you'll need a VPN extension installed in your Chrome browser, or simply activate a VPN on your mobile. Select the United States of America as your country. Once the VPN is active, make sure to double-check your IP to confirm it's changed. Now, head over to this video's description and click on the Google One link I've provided. There, you'll see the available plans, including Google AI Pro and Ultra. We're aiming for the free plan, but before diving in, make sure your Gmail is eligible for the student offer. If your Gmail says, not eligible for Google Pro, no worries. Just switch to a different Gmail account. Once you open the link with a new Gmail, you'll see an option to start the 15-month free student plan. Click on Verify Student Status. Here's the part most people get stuck on. It asks for an educational email. Don't stress. Open a new tab and search for Temp Mail 2025. Visit any Temp Mail website. If it doesn't give you a .edu email on the first try, simply delete the current one and refresh. You'll eventually get a working .edu email address. Copy that email, paste it into the verification box, and hit Verify. Then check your temporary inbox, grab the verification code, and paste it back. Click Continue, and boom, you're in. You might need to enter credit card details to activate the free trial, but you won't be charged if you cancel on time. Once you're verified, you'll notice you're now logged into Gemini Pro. But what we really want is Google VEO 3. So, open a new tab, search for Google FX, and log in using the same Gmail you just verified. After you log in, click on the menu icon and select Flow, then hit New Project and choose Text to Video. Next, head over to the Settings panel and make sure to select VEO 3 as your model. That's the latest and most powerful version for generating ultra-realistic videos. Now comes the fun part. You'll need a high-quality prompt to generate impressive results. Open up ChatGPT and ask it to write a Google VEO 3 prompt with dialogue. Something cinematic, creative, or even funny, whatever style you want. Once you get your prompt, copy it and paste it into the prompt bar on Google VEO. Then just click the Generate button. Give it a few moments. It may take a little time, but not too long. And trust me, the results? Absolutely mind-blowing. You'll feel like a Hollywood director with just a few clicks.
Hey everyone! If you love smart AI content, make sure to like and subscribe to the Saeed AI channel.
Hey everyone, if you love smart AI content, make sure to like and subscribe to the Saeed AI channel.
Google VEO 3 isn't just another AI. It's a cinematic revolution. With 4K quality video generation, realistic camera motion, and detailed lighting effects, it can turn plain text into Netflix-level scenes. It understands emotions, tone, and even character interactions, like a true director's assistant. From slow-mo drama to fast-paced action, VEO 3 lets your imagination run wild.
Nothing like fresh jungle bananas. But you know what's even better? The Saeed AI channel.
Go ahead, like and subscribe. Don't make me come find you.
Before I save the jungle, you better like and subscribe to the Saeed AI channel.
And just like that, a few words turned into a memory you can see. That's the magic of Google VEO 3. If this blew your mind even a little, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let's keep creating magic together.